Welcome to SOMA Academy. I'm Siad Malim, and today I'm going to discuss how to find the missing angles of a triangle. However, before we get started, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do so and hit that notification bell. That way, when I release new content like this, you will get notified. Okay, let us start with this example. Say we have a triangle where we have two angles given, angle 74 degree and 63 degree, and we have to find the angle marked X degree. What we have to remember is all the angles of a triangle, add up to 180 degree. This is a fact. You have to remember this. In general, all the angles of any triangle must add up to 180. And because we are given two, we have to find the third one. So what you have to consider in order to find one of the missing angles of a triangle, you have to remember that all the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So the next step is to add the two angles that you have. 63 plus 74. That would give me, when I add those two, is 137 degree. So in order to find the value for x degree is equal to 180 minus 137 degree. So when you subtract 180 from 137 from 180, what you get is 340. Okay, so that will be 43 degrees. The easiest thing to remember is you have to add the two angles that are given and then subtract from 180. Let us do another example. Say we have a triangle. We have this triangle where this angle is 68 degree and that angle is 32 degrees, and we want to find angle marked Y. So remember, we said all the angles of a triangle must add up to 180 degree. So we have to add up the two that are given. 68 degree plus 32 degrees. That is equal to 100 degrees. So to find y degrees is equal to 180 minus 100. That is equal to 80. So y is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, let us do one final example. So in this triangle, we are given one angle which is 59 degrees, the other one marked W, and then there is this symbol. Normally, whenever you see this symbol, that means it is 90 degrees. Whenever you see this, it is a symbol that represents a right angle triangle, and always that the value for the angle is 90 degrees. So the general thing to remember is all angles add up to 180. All the three angles add up to 180. We are given two, where one is 90 degree and the other one is 59 degree. So when I add those two, what I get is 149 degrees. In order to find the angle marked W, that is 180 degrees minus 149, which is equal to 31 degrees. Okay, I'll stop it there for today. I hope this was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until then, happy learning.